Once the interfacing is onto this piece of fabric, you want to mark where you're going to put the magnetic clasps through. So on this, we have marked the top one, if your fabric's directional, at 1.5 inches from the top. There. And it's halfway because this is a 10-inch square, so it's at 5 inches there. And on the bottom, we're going to mark where the other part of it goes. So again, it's going to be 5 inches in, and we're going to mark it about 3 inches from the bottom there, like that. And what you're going to do is, once you've got that central mark, is bring the clasp close by, because this is how it goes through the fabric, and actually mark a little line at an equal distance there from the side. And this is what you're actually going to snip to put the clasp through. So we're going to mark a little vertical line there and there. Pencil's fine, it will all be covered on the final purse. And then the best way to do it is make sure you have small scissors with a small but sharp blades. Don't go in with your big kitchen scissors for this point. And I find it easier if you just fold this away from yourself slightly, like so, on the edge, and then you can go in and simply make a small snip like so, and the same on the other side.